Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression. Today, we use what we learned before: food and present simple, affirmative. We do it with 3 exercises.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with a clear rhythm. Second, read aloud helps you read with confidence and a steady voice. Third, describe the picture helps you speak freely about what you see.
That sounds simple and useful.
Great. Let us start with shadowing. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after me. Keep your voice relaxed and copy the rhythm.
Okay, I listen first and repeat after you.
I eat bread. She eats rice. He has an egg. We like cheese. The soup is hot. They make salad. My brother eats chicken. I cook fish. We have pasta today. She makes a sandwich. The potato is big. He eats meat. I eat lunch every day. She cooks every morning. They sit at the table. It is a simple meal. Read aloud. Great work with shadowing. Now we move to read aloud. Nexo reads the text first, and then you pause the video and read aloud slowly.
I am ready. I will read clearly. Every morning, Mia makes a small lunch. She puts bread, cheese, and an egg in her bag. At school, she eats with her friend Tom. Tom has rice and chicken. They sit near the window, talk, and smile. Their lunch is simple, but it is warm and good.
Well done, Nexo. You did it well. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud.
Take your time and read slowly.
Describe the picture. Nice work, everyone. Now, describe the picture. Describe what you see and try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied. Nexo, you try first, and then it is the viewer's turn.
Okay. I will use short sentences. In the picture, a family eats lunch in a bright kitchen. The mother puts soup on the table, and the father cuts bread. A girl has salad and cheese on her plate. A boy eats rice with chicken. There is also pasta, fish, a sandwich, and a potato on the table. Everyone smiles, and the room looks warm. That picture is easy to talk about.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image your way, using the words shown. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. Bread. There is bread on the table. Salad. She eats salad. Exactly. Now you pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.